Right, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're filming this awesome slammed Subaru Impreza. But before we go out for a drive, or before Luke takes it out for a drive, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell notification button so that you get alerted when we post new videos. Let's go for a drive. I'm with Punit and we are in a Subaru WRX STI, so as you can imagine I was excited to do this one. What year is it?
2016.
2000, I didn't realise it was so new either. Obviously you would have seen from the Daryl's fancy footage at the beginning. What's that?
That's not me.
Not yours. It's your phone.
That's not my phone.
Oh, Daryl's left his phone in it. Oh, well done, Daryl. Well done. Right. Anyway, back to what we were saying. So you've done a hell of a lot to this, and obviously it's a show car spec. Let's just start visuals. What are the visual things you've done to it?
First, body kit, wide body kit. Only one in UK so far, UK/Europe.
Yeah. What with that body kit?
With the body kit on the newer shapes.
Yeah.
11-inch wide wheels. Color changed, liquid wrap. Big wing. Big
it's not
wang.
a wing, it's a wang.
It's a
big wang. You can see that actually.
That's it. And pretty much that's it. Exterior.
This is obviously on air ride.
Yeah.
I want to touch on the air ride in a different way first. So, what do people think of the air ride on the Scooby?
There's few different types of people. Some people like air rides, some people hate air rides. And especially being on a Scooby, air rides being on a Scooby, some people say this is not a German car to have air rides on, as it's a Japanese car and it's a rally car. So it's, some people like it, some people don't like it. But when I first put it on, I wasn't 100% sure myself. But once I put it on and I've used it, I fucking love it.
Yeah. I mean,
love it.
I wouldn't put it on my Scooby. I want to put it on a car. But each to their own. Yeah, if it's what you want to do, you want to spend your money on, then
that's it.
You should be able to do what the hell you want.
It's basically your car. You're supposed to do what you want to do,
yeah,
not what others think about your car. End of the day, other people's opinion shouldn't matter to you. If you want it, you do it. You don't want it, you don't do it.
I noticed when we were taking a look in the engine bay, it's just a hell of a lot of Mishimoto and Perrin. Yeah. So what performance-wise have you done?
Performance-wise, I haven't done much to it. I've only, the stock is 300 brake horsepower. I've only reached up to 360.
And we're going to go all the way around this roundabout and come down again.
Straight down? Or?
Literally, we're going to go there and then come all the way back around.
Literally I've done is cold air intake, full decat, front mount intercooler, fuel regulator, fuel pump, and air and oil catch can.
Yeah, no, I saw that.
That's all I've done.